In this video, I'm going to go over how to do, I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet. So you have your, the stitches are single crochet, then you have your half double crochet, and then your double crochet, and then your treble crochet. So just taking it slow. And if you've been practicing your chains to the point where you don't even have to look at what you're doing, you're just, practicing, and chains are pretty much, let's just say, not too loose and not too tight. So if you've been doing that and you feel comfortable, you can go ahead and start doing the first stitch would be the single crochet. So if you have your chain, I'm recommending doing a long chain because that way you can practice and just practice. So in order to do the single crochet, you can go ahead and you're going to insert your hook in this first loop here. You can actually do it, I don't know if you can see both, let me just do this, it's easier. Okay, so let me see. So that when you insert your hook, it's probably going to go, let me see. Yeah, just insert your hook in the first chain. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab your yarn. You're going to be left with 2 loops. And then grab your yarn down. And that's it. So put your hook in the chain first. Then you're going to grab your yarn, go down, pull it through. There are going to be 2 loops on your hook. Just grab the yarn down and through. So that's a single crochet. Very simple. So go ahead and go to your next chain. It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's not gonna, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be, even if you want to just skip a chain, even if you skip a chain, doesn't matter. What you're doing here is just practicing how to do a single crochet. So it doesn't matter how you do it, just as long as you're able to practice. So here, just go in, grab your yarn, turn it hook down, turn it up. You're going to have 2 loops. Grab your yarn, turn down, and through. And that's it. That is your single crochet. It's not that difficult. Again, it's all practice. And I know it gets a little bit frustrating because when you want to learn something new, you want to start. You're like, oh, you're excited and you want to start to, crochet blankets or shawls or whatever it is that you want to do. But it's important to practice first. Practice, practice, practice. Loosen up those arms, not the arms. Loosen up the hands. So that way, once you're ready, once you learn all the stitches and you're ready, then you can start, working on a project. So that's it. Just insert your hook, grab your yarn, down, 2 loops, grab your yarn, down, oops, 2 loops. And that's it. That is your single crochet. I would recommend that you just, if you're doing chains, do like a really long chain. So you can practice your chains and then start with your single crochets, and you can just practice, and then you can, just, what do you call it? Undo everything and then start again. And just practice, practice, practice. And that's the key. So that's single crochet. So the next lesson will be, we're going to go over the half double crochet. I will try to post, I'm trying to post videos every week, but My schedule sometimes doesn't allow it, but I will try to post every week, if not every 2 weeks, but I'll do my best to post videos. And with the exception of the week of Christmas, I won't be here, so I won't do any videos that week. So again, just practice, and thank you for watching.